We have an example here. If a girl can just see her feet at the bottom edge of the mirror, you can see that this girl wants to see her image and can see her feet at just the bottom edge of the mirror. Her eyes are below 10 centimeters of the top of her head. It is standing at 10 meters distance and her height is 1.5 meter. So the question is, what should be the distance between the girl and her image in the mirror? Let's have the solution. If the girl distance, that is u, is equal to 10 meters from the mirror, then due to the same distance between the object and the image from the mirror, so the v and u should have the same values, and the girl distance from her image, that is u plus v value, should be equal to 20 meter. I think this is clear to all of you. We want to know that how much high above the bottom edge of the mirror from the floor. Then what we have to do? Let's discuss. We have considered that the height of the bottom edge of the mirror is h. If the girl's eyes is 10 centimeter below from his head, then her whole body is having the height 140 centimeter. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. In middle we have the normal line and can see that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. That's why this distance is equal to this distance. So we can have that this corresponding distance here on the mirror should also be equal to this line. Now, let this distance is x, then this distance should also be x, and here x plus x is equal to 140 centimeter. So 2x is equal to 140 centimeter and x is equal to 140 by 2, that is equal to 70 centimeter. So we can say that this h distance is equal to 70 centimeter, and answer is that the height of the bottom edge of the mirror is 70 centimeter. Now let's have the another part of the question, which is, what is the minimum height of the top edge of the mirror if the girl is able to see the top of her head too? So here we have the workout diagram for the part 3 of the question. As we see in the later part that this is the two angles, the theta 1 and theta 2, and when we extend this we find that this part is 140 centimeter, and the congruency of these two triangles shows us that this distance is 70 centimeter as well as this distance is also 70 centimeter. The remaining part, that this part is 10 centimeter, and as we work out here the angle theta 3 and theta 4 are equal and these two triangles are also congruent. That's why these two distances are also same, and that's why this above A and this below B distance are equal. That is equals to A is equals to B is equals to 5 centimeter. Now, we had to find that how much the size of mirror is needed and at what point, at what distance the top point or top edge of the mirror should be located. We find that it is 5 centimeter below the head of the girl, or we can say that this distance is 150 centimeter and below 5 centimeter means the top edge, that is this edge, is 145 centimeter above of the floor. So that is, I think, clear to all of you. Let's conclude what we have discussed in this example. We have discussed that the minimum size of the mirror to see the full image of the person should have at least half of the height of the man or the person looking his image. So the size of the mirror needed to the full view of a person, the height or the length of the mirror should be half of the height of the person's height. Let's have the another concept or the another subtopic. Let's have another question. We have the two guys, Rahul and Rohan, who are looking into a mirror. Can they see themselves and each other in the mirror? If, say, Rohan is not in the front of the mirror and Rahul is in the front of the mirror, then due to the laws of reflection, Rahul can see Rohan and Rohan can see Rahul, but Rahul cannot see his own image because in any condition the light ray will not come in this direction so that he can see his image in the mirror. Let's have the another concept. True or false? If the boy walks closer to the plane mirror, the image position of the candle will change. This is the candle and its image is there in the mirror. And this person is going closer towards the mirror. And the question is, if the image position of the candle will change due to the moving closer of the guy, the answer is, this statement is false. And there is no effect of image of the candle of the person moving closer to the mirror on the image position of the candle. Now, there is another question which says, a boy of height 1.5 meters stands 5 meters in front of the plane mirror. So, can you tell that what will be the size of his image in the plane mirror? Yes, this is the question which is actually the calculation that how much you have gained. Size of his image should be equal to, yes, very good, it is 1.5 meter. And how much the distance of the image from the mirror? That is, B is equal to 5 meter here.